latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Hello, you are watching News 9 Digital with me, Amrita, and I'm going to be talking about India's COVID-19 mortality rate. Now, according to a report published in a reputed medical journal, The Lancet, it suggests that India might be underreporting on its COVID-19 deaths. Now, first and foremost, the world is baffled with the COVID-19 recovery rate in India being the highest and its mortality rate being one of the lowest in the worst affected countries. That being said, according to the Union Health Ministry, currently as of September 6th, India's recovery rate from COVID-19 stood at 77.32%, active cases stood at 20.96%, and deaths just at a mere 1.72% of all the confirmed cases in the country of COVID-19. So according to the report in The Lancet, these are some of the factors due to which there might be an underreporting of COVID-19 deaths in India. The first and foremost being the center's guidelines to states on how to calculate COVID-19 mortality rate, which ones to include and which ones to exclude. The guidelines clearly state that suspected and probable COVID-19 deaths in states must be included into the overall mortality database of the state pertaining to COVID-19. However, there is no mechanism to check which states are following these guidelines and which states are not, because there is no information available in the public which clearly categorizes the suspected and probable COVID-19 deaths from the confirmed COVID-19 deaths as well. So there is no way of knowing this for sure. For example, West Bengal had refused to include COVID-19 deaths among comorbid patients in its overall COVID-19 mortality database in the state. Moreover, Telangana and Maharashtra had agreed that they had underreported COVID-19 deaths, which they later on went on to add to their overall database as well. West Bengal has also reversed its decision on how it counts its mortality database. That's only one point. The second point, which the experts in the Lancet report suggest, is the inherent problem with regards to how deaths are registered in India overall, even before the pandemic occurred. So one of the experts suggests that only 22% of all of the deaths, especially in rural areas in India, are medically certified. The rest take place at homes and not at hospitals, and most of them there is no cause of death available on their death records. That's only one of the problems. Another expert pointed out that 65% of the total COVID-19 deaths came from 4 states, that is Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Delhi, which traditionally have 100% death registration. So that might explain how these states are only reporting the highest COVID-19 mortality rate. So there is a possibility that people might be dying due to COVID-19, but they might not be getting hospitalized, they might not be getting the requisite tests done, and there is probably no critical care available to these people, and their mortality their deaths are not being added on to the overall COVID-19 mortality database. Experts also pointed out another phenomenon, that states are increasingly dependent on the rapid testing kits, which are known to give out false negatives. So it is unknown whether in the death cases, how many people are being tested using rapid testing kits, and in case of false negative, how many of these deaths are being followed up with an RT-PCR test. So that's the general overview of how India might be undercounting its deaths. Other than that, the center just some weeks ago had given out an ultimatum to a few states, 10 states, to bring down their COVID-19 case fatality rate to 1% or less, and some of these states include Karnataka, Maharashtra, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Jammu and Kashmir and Andhra Pradesh. As we said earlier, these states like Karnataka and Maharashtra also happen to be one of the states with the highest COVID-19 mortality rate as well as the highest death registration rates as well. So in the bid to meet the expectations of the center and to abide by this ultimatum, there is also a possibility that experts have pointed out that states might try to fudge their mortality, COVID-19 mortality data. One way one of the experts suggested this could be done is that states test only mildly symptomatic patients and ignore the critically ill, so that when the deaths occur among the critically ill patients, whether it was due to COVID-19 or not is never ascertained. You can leave your opinion in the comment section down below on what you think of India's COVID-19 mortality rate. Also like, share and subscribe to News9 Digital.